In this question, we have a look at DaemonSet. A DaemonSet ensures that all the nodes run a copy of a pod. In order to create a DaemonSet, we first have to create a deployment in YAML format and edit the values after. This sounds like a weird approach, but unfortunately, this is the only way to create a DaemonSet. So let's first check all the running nodes. As you can see, there are 3 nodes, so it should be deployed on all 3. So in order to create a DaemonSet, we use the template of a deployment. And we save the output to bluedaemon.yaml. Let's now edit the file. And we change this to DaemonSet. We need to delete some things, otherwise it doesn't work. Let's save it. And let's create it. That's done. And finally, let's verify if it works. And it does. As you can see, there's a pod running on every node. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.